In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Shotcut Video Editor on Windows 11. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead to your browser and then just type in Shotcut Download. And after that, just click on it. Then you will be redirected to this web page. Now just click on download, and after that just go ahead, click on Windows Installer. Just make sure to choose the CPU you have. And now the download will happen shortly after 3 seconds. Just give it a moment. And as you can see, the download has started. So just wait for it until it downloads and then come back to it. So now after it is downloaded, as you can see, you can go ahead and double click on it on the installer. And after that, just give it a moment and the installation phase will start. Now, as you can see here, you can choose to install for all users or to install for the user you are using now. I'm going to choose the other one. Now just click on Next, then Next again. And here you can choose to create a short cache for the desktop, then click on Next, and then click on Install. So now the installation can take a couple of minutes, so just give it a moment. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on Finish. Now the app will open up by itself, and there you have it. This was how to download and install Shotcut Video Editor on Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.